Another fine vehicle offered by Royal Palm Toyota.
This sensational 2008 Mazda 3 is equipped with a fuel-sipping 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine, an effortless automatic transmission, the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive, and has only 10,488 miles. Its electronic and entertainment features include an audio system with an AM/FM radio and a CD player which reads MP3s, a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system, and steering wheel-mounted remote audio controls. It also gets an estimated 32 miles per gallon on the highway, and 24 in the city. PAUSE equals 2,000. Carfax estimates that this vehicle has had one owner, and for your comfort this sedan has cruise control and air conditioning, and not to mention that it also qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with both front and rear side curtain airbags. Carfax has not received any information indicating that the airbags have been deployed. PAUSE equals 2,000. Call or come in today to schedule a test drive. PAUSE equals 4,000.
Royal Palm Toyota is located at 9205 Southern Boulevard, Royal Palm Beach, Florida. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. We hope to see you soon.